Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Over my shoulder you can see a bank of 5 windows with transoms on top, and so we had to come up with a solution that would work really well for this client. We're using the Rollease Acmeta Automate, which is a great motorization system that has lithium-ion batteries in it, so they're rechargeable. No wiring had to be done on this job. We did something else that's very unique, and I'll start running it first. So I will run the blackout layer first because they wanted a dual shade. So I have it on channels 1 and 2. You can see them lit up right there. And if I hit the down button, notice that from behind we have the layers coming down. Now keep in mind that you're noticing light in between them. That was done on purpose because if I had done one big shade for that section and one shade for this, because it was impossible on a window this large to do it all in one big shade, so to do 2 would have left a gap. So we did what's called banding. So these 2 shades right here are banded together, and I'll show you. If I take line 1 off and I raise it, notice that those 2 are working together. It's one tube at the top, and there's a band in between. Same thing can be done for the other one. Now, I'll take both of these up, and then we're going to see how it has a layered treatment. So now what we're going to do is take lines number 3 and 4. We're going to remove line 1 and 2, and I'm going to lower those. It's the same banding on these. So that's 3 on the left side and 2 on the right, but notice now how they have the ability to have light filtering and a good level of privacy. They can lower both if they wish, so they can have that beautiful color on the outside and have the room darkening behind it for sleep. And there's also another feature that I set. I'll just stop it here so you can see. If I put it on the channels that it's on, 1 and 2, and I press and hold the center button, notice how the ones behind go to a predetermined position to block the upper windows from the light coming in and giving a little bit more light filtering and not having too much light, because this faces east and it might be really bright in the morning. Well, I'm getting a phone call, so I better go. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.